So friends, this is my Blue Sky channel here. In this channel, I'm just showing all of control panel options and different hardware series and network series and all of network systems and computer educations give here with other educations. So we all talk about this today here backup options here. So why give Windows operating system and why using a give this technology and why using a systems backup options here. So first you open control panel from this here and you can see here open here. So I'm control panel and you can see just this control panel options showing here. So I'm right here control panel in Windows 7 same these backup options here. So I'm already create this all of a topic video. So watch my videos previous video very important. So previous video in I'm already discussed what is computer management, what is data source 64-bit and performance monitor and computer management and performance monitor in different topic here. And last video I'm already create autoplay. What is autoplay? How can we using autoplay? And what is inside autoplay and how we using the system? So we are talking about today. This is all of us I will discuss. But today I'm just showing you backup and restore systems here. So why using a backup this technology and why using a computer systems here? So this backup and restore very important technology for data and systems here. So what is a backup and what is a restore give these Microsoft company and how can we using these options here. So we are just talking about only local computer, not server type, and I will discuss in backup server what is a backup server and why using a backup backup server. So in backup series, server series, I will discuss in backup server. So backup and restore these options very important for same Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows your 8, 8.1 and Windows 10 and Windows Vista, same backup and restore. So let's start. So what is a backup and why using a backup? So first understand what is a backup. This tab showing a logo here Windows Windows operating system. So you are using a computer here and all of computer, any computer, desktop or laptop. So you are using a computer and in computer hard disks lot of data, different types here. So some folder you create a lot of file you create a software file, company file, computer files and your company presentation files, your important your presentation with your computer data files and your lot of your company and system data files that calls is a data and folder files, movies, document, extra anything. So that is a data in store your hard disk and system. So sometimes you by mistake you delete your data, some corrupt data by viruses, some hacker damage your data. So that means your hard disk in your data you store. So any your by mistake data, corrupt data, should lose your data. How can we recover? How can we why using recover and what is the sometime your motherboard not working perfectly and you are as a company employee, you are as a company presentation, anything you any your field work here. So that is a very important of your your data and you are lose this any reason and that is a very depression type reaction in your system, your professional work here. So our engineer one type of technology create of backup utility, backup technology. This backup technology, how this work here and why using a backup here. So this is a backup is one type of copy data to another hard disk. and most often using a two hard disk computer, but you are using one hard disk, so you can take one other partitions here. So what is a partition? I will already create, I'll create a computer management watch video. So this is I'm just talking about Windows topic here. Other operating system just like Apple, Linux, these using a system and using you can see and use backup systems. So why this is how many type using systems and how this start in Microsoft company here. So first we are using only you are Windows old OS not available in Windows 95, not available in Windows, you know, 90. So this start in Windows Server backup. Windows Server backup technology start after Windows 2003 later, and Windows XP available these backup in Windows Vista available, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10, other operating system available in this type technology. So how this system is, you take your backup of your file and backup software automatically you create bunch files in your backup software in this type logo here. So this is a backup software in this type you store your data, copy of data, but you want original size your data from your backup utility. So you want using a recover and get back your data and completely your backup you take and you recover you completely. So that is a very free mind work here and nothing lose anything. So let's start how can we using here. So just you can see backup and restore options here. Click on and this tab showing here. So we are just talking about local computer only, not server client options and not using server systems here. So I'm just backup and restore tab this tab technology, and you can see two tab available: create a system image and create a system repair disk. What is the difference? I will discuss in this video. So first you can see nothing backup I'm take this notice setup here, this showing here. Okay, so Windows backup has not setup here, so that means my already take other computer backup here, but I'm just showing for you first time you can start backup and this type showing Windows here and nothing any I'm take this backup here. So this is the backup is very important in showing this partition. So you must have to external hard disk. So you have no hard disk, so you can take one hard disk, but maybe your one hard disk fail, so that means your data lose. So you have a must other your USB drive, your USB hard disk, and you set up your backup here. So this is a first time backup and you can see nothing information here, and restore means you can restore your original size your back again your data. So select another backup restore file. I will this is second option not using this time. We are first work backup take backup. So setup backup. So this is a showing setup backup means you can see just this type logo here and this type mark here. That means this is a very powerful settings here. You can see just here this powerful setting of your computer, your Windows operating system here. Okay, so this is a setup backup. Click on here. This starting your Windows backup systems here. So background inside your backup services start here, and this showing you select you want to save your data anything. So this you select your what you want this that means my case in this operating system this data take and stored e drive here. Okay, So these backup you can see here. So I have only one hard disk in my computer, but I'm create three partition here. Okay, so I want these okay, these hard disk data D partitions here, you can see just here, and these D partitions save to another hard disk partition in backup take here. So D partition showing me here some these drive does not have enough space, so you want first understand 5 GB data you take backup. So you have 10 GB free data of page for page backup here. So click on you have connected network. So this is a network system I will discuss in server, and you can take these server share files, share backup, server share hard disk. These are using options here. So this is a username and password, and you can take your backup your data here, but I'm just showing you. So SATA hard disk D, this partition I'm giving, and later is G. So these documents save to another save my other location. So first I select my data. So let Windows choose recommended means Windows choose your partition in your data here. That means full drive, all of your data. But I want just special select my document, my systems here. So you can see just data file means your your user, your group, your documents of your computers. So I want only this operating system user with my hard disk okay, my hard disk data. So this is serving these partitions my data, and I'm store this here asset. Okay, so this is a very important. So first I'm just select my these my empty partitions here, and select to another partitions here. So this partition I'm open, you can see this my all of data showing you. So this is a partition in this my folder is important in this my important document. So any you can take your backup all of files, all the folder, but I'm just this folder. I want this folder backup here. So backup and start this here, and select that partition. So I'm these save it already. Okay, these let me choose next, and you can see these my select drive here. So first this showing me what do you want to backup here. So this is programming videos, and this is my, and the second is my other documents. So just you can see my two files I will take backup. You can take backup of your hard disk all of, but I want like customize, and I will take my choice this backup. And third I like only include a system image of drive system result with partition C. That means your Windows require Windows run, and you can restore your computer and stop working here. So this is system image drive system result with partitions data automatically take backup, but I'm not like this system reserved. I want to know this take backup here. So you can see here all user and these two folder take backup here, and you want to these two folder and these user every timing through you can see this my backup locations here. Okay, so this my backup location entity app, and you can see just uh, first select your location, and second Windows open your of data of backup. So I will discuss in next video. Okay, so thanks for watching my video.